Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome. This is the Train Expert Channels. We have a very short grain hopper train hooking up to one of the grain hoppers in Titusville. Let's check it out. Today is Monday, December 12th, 2022. I shouldn't. Yeah. Turn that off. No, I'm just turning the radio off of the car. I'm sorry. All right, we're gonna get off. We'll get.
If things aren't going to be transferred through the county.
Well, wait, hang on.
So I do have set up, I just want to collect a little more information. So if you guys can pick
all right.
his debit card.
All right, we're gonna get off. We'll get back on with the next train. I'll be Light Power. Talk to you later.